Hi, Jack. So I'm just chilling. Chilling and relaxing. All sprawled out. Oh, sprawled out. What are you gonna do? Huh? What are you gonna do? You almost found his hand. You saw that hand, didn't you? You saw it. Yeah, you did. Ooh. I know. Yeah. No, don't get mad. Don't get mad, everybody's watching you. Don't get mad, everybody's watching you. Yeah. Yeah. Kicking those feet. Oh, oh no. Uh-huh. I'm not convinced. No, I'm not. Uh-oh, it's getting better. Getting better. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm getting pretty mad now. Say bye-bye. Uh-oh, Shadow got in the way. Say bye-bye. Okay.